Let's talk kids' health. Want to welcome in Stacy Antine, 6 feet away here.
Even more.
Founder of Health Barn USA. And again, when the kids show up at 9:30, everybody's masked up and ready to go. But Health Barn USA is all about healthy habits. So you're teaching kids how to make right decisions about food. If people at home are struggling with their kids, how do you get a kid excited about fruits and vegetables?
Well, you have to get them in the kitchen. That's sort of the magic. You know, kids love cooking. They're watching cooking shows now. But the key is not to just get them in the kitchen, but get them in the kitchen with recipes that include fruits and vegetables.
And as you see these kids, aren't you surprised at how much they love to do this?
Oh, yeah. I mean, they harvest eggplant. I mean, the other thing is that we're garden to table, so the kids are actually growing their own food. But they're running out, they're picking their eggplant, they're making eggplant parm towers, and then they're really excited about, you know, what they've done, and they actually will try it. And that's the key, is just getting kids to try it.
Yeah, and then, you know, if COVID has taught us anything, it's about your immunity and it's about overall health. And it starts young. So Stacy said it, there is a garden right over there. So coming up, we're gonna go pick some beans or something in the garden, trying to keep you and the kids, trying to inspire you to stay healthy. So go get a rake, Cindy, and you can join us, but right now we'll send it right back to you in the studio.
I look forward to it because not just kids, but even adults need to start eating more fruits and veggies. So, last Saturday in September is Family Health and Fitness Day. John Elliott is in Ridgewood, New Jersey, learning about keeping kids healthy and fit. Of course, has your forecast and is digging through bushes for some reason.
No.
Oh, it's
Cindy,
a garden.
this is sesame. This is sesame. Smells so good. You know what this? You put this in a little rice, cook it up. It helps clean your liver and boost your immune system. Kids are in the background. They're working the broccoli rabe, not only growing it, but learning the benefits of broccoli rabe. I love that. I love it. Kids get so excited about this. We're going to try to squash bad habits in just a bit. Squash was kind of a play on words, but right now, let's talk about your weather. So we're back here. Health Barn USA is a foundation founded by Stacy Antine years ago. You've got this great new home here in Ridgewood. So the kids are all masked up. And you say that secret to getting kids excited about food.
Well, you saw them eating broccoli rabe.
Yeah.
Right, so you got to grow your own food.
And they're out here in the garden, so
Yep.
they know how all this works?
Yeah, and so right now we're really excited because we're going to pick some butternut squash soup, butternut for our soup.
Okay.
And butternut is high in vitamin A and beta carotene, really great for the immune system. And look at this beauty.
Wow.
I mean, we're so proud of this, right, guys?
What do you
Can
think
I
of
see
that,
the thumbs
kids?
up?
Let's give it a big cheer, yeah! So if the kids see this come out of the ground.
Are you guys going to try this and eat it?
No.
Yeah.
This one kid is not going to eat it. This one young lady. But you're more excited about eating this, right?
Well, they want it
Wash
washed
off,
first.
And then we find it in a recipe. And then that's what it's all about. It's about healthy habits starting young, right?
Well, and this is nature's medicine cabinet. And if you eat, you don't see any packaged foods here. It's all based on nature. And if you start eating like this, especially harvest now,
Yeah.
you're going to boost your immune system naturally.
I'm amazed because the kids have been out here a while. They just love this stuff.
Yeah.
Kids like getting dirty. So thanks, you guys. Yeah, except one kid. Except one kid. All right. So they're going to go cook that up. They'll be in the kitchen.
You want to hold it?
You know what? If you can start healthy habits young, they'll have healthy habits their whole life long. Thanks, Stacy. Thanks,
Thank you.
kids.
Thanks so much
have
for
a great
coming.
day.
Thank
Stay
you,
healthy,
John.
everybody.
Thanks for
Back to you,
coming.
Cindy.
All right, John, thank you so much.